Good morning, students and teachers. This is Bryce, and today we're coming to you from Bulldog Bytes headquarters, giving you a tutorial on rotations. Alright, so first we're just going to start with going over what rotations are. Rotations is the spinning or turning of an object, and you're rotating it around the origin. So let's say here's your graph right here. Make it that a little bigger. And you have a triangle right here. So you always want to rotate counterclockwise unless you're told otherwise. So you'd spin it around like this. And that's the basis of what a rotation is. So first we got a few rules. These are all for counterclockwise, which is what you will do unless you are told otherwise. Alright. So we got 90 degrees, 180 degrees, and 270 degrees. There's separate rules for each one of them. For 90 degrees, your standard XY is going to change into a negative YX. So you flip them and then change that Y to negative. For 180, your standard XY is going to change into negative X, negative Y. So that one you don't flip them, but you just make them each negative. And then for 270, your XY goes into Y negative X. So you can see the 90 and the 270 are very similar. It's just different ones are flipped to negatives. Alright, sweet. There's your lesson on counterclockwise rotations. Hope this helps.